welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. This video is going to be part of a series featuring cocktails that have historically been noted to have been created in New Orleans. Let's get drinking. This is going to be the Brandy Milk Punch. So the ingredients you're going to need, of course, is brandy, which is going to have 0 grams of carbs. We're going to have heavy cream. We'll be using 1.5 ounces of heavy cream. That's going to have 3 grams of carbs. 1 ounce of our low carb simple syrup. That'll be 1 gram of carbs. A little vanilla extract. I think it's going to be a half a teaspoon, 0 grams of carbs. Garnish with some nutmeg. Doesn't really matter about the carbs because there's so little. We're going to call it 0. Some of the tools you're going to need is a shaker. If you don't have a shaker, a mason jar works just fine. Something to measure it with. This is just a little measuring cup, a 2-ounce measuring cup I grabbed from Walmart, and some measuring spoons. So let's go ahead and get this started. If you're using a shaker, you always want to build in your small tin, dump and shake into the big one. So from here, we're going to go with 2 ounces of brandy. Use your favorite brandy. This was cheap and on sale, and it's not horrible. So 2 ounces of brandy. I'm going to go with 1.5 ounces of heavy cream. And this is where all the carbs basically come in from this cocktail. So that's going to be 3 grams of carbs in that. Next we'll have our simple syrup, 1 ounce. After that, we're going to go with a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. When you're using vanilla extracts, use the pure stuff. Don't use the imitation. It's not that big of a difference in price. So we're going to go to, make sure I got my half teaspoon. And then we're going to add ice. Dump, cap, and shake. There we go. And if you have some fancy vintage glasses, I found at a thrift store, go ahead and grab one of those. Those are pretty neat to do this with. Since it is a historical cocktail, find some historical glassware to go with it. So from here, we got our glassware. We'll add some ice to this. What am I looking for? Oh, and and we're going to strain this cocktail. And garnish with a little ground nutmeg. It would be better if you went and got your own like fresh nutmeg and used a little zester. That would be better. But I forgot to pick some up when I knew I was doing this video. I just forgot. So little bottled ground nutmeg. And that's it. Just a little sprinkle, a little garnish, add some of that little aroma to it. A little bit of flavor. So really simple. The New Orleans classic Brandy Milk Punch. Let's see how this tastes. I love chewing on ice. That is damn delicious. It tastes just like a vanilla milkshake. It's beautifully balanced, this recipe. There's a lot of different recipes out on the internet. And so when I found this one with these type of ratios, I tried this one, tried some other ones. But this is absolutely delicious. Some use a little less vanilla extract. I think this is perfect because I get that just good old-fashioned vanilla milkshake flavor. This is absolutely delicious, guys. Oh, and the best thing about it, 4 grams of carbs. That's it. Man. All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching. If you haven't done yet, If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button, click the little bell icon, and It'll let you know when my next video on classic New Orleans cocktail will be coming out, because I'll watch for that pretty soon, guys. And once again, thank y'all for watching. And y'all have a great day, because I know I will. Man, vanilla milkshake. Thank you, guys.